Perfect. My recording started now. Just now verified that my camera is working. Friends, don't mind. Sometimes I'll be seeing towards my right because I have my backup computer with backup network towards my right. Okay. I just want to make sure like the live class is getting streamed in a correct way. Okay. So sometimes I'll be seeing my computer towards my right side. So don't mind. Not only today, throughout the course. Okay. Even when you ask me questions or clarifications or technical items anytime, I need to have a visit of my eye towards my right to verify that the things are working fine. Well, let's get started. Just wait for one moment, please. Just wait for one moment, please. Please get some observation notes ready, please. In the meantime, please get some observation notes ready. I forgot to activate the chat box onto my right side. Please wait. Perfect. So let's get started now. Today we are going to have a small intro on what is database and our daily job roles, and then proceed for installation. Tomorrow we need to dedicate for installation of the software, and then we are going to start our actual practice. It's all concept-wise, carefully planned course. Every day from today you have assignments. I repeat, every day from today you have assignments, notes, assignment. And from third chapter, it's all about practice. More the examples I give, more we get the actual subject. So I have example based assignments and answers. So every day you'll be having the complete detailed notes with assignments every day from today. And you need to submit your answers either before the next class or max by weekend as per your comfort. Every weekend my team would be reaching you on call, and I will be reaching you on WhatsApp. So spare some time for us every week and give us your valuable feedback throughout the course. Weekly feedbacks are required pertaining to your assignments and class understandings, proceedings, or wanted to revise any particular concept, anything it can be. We are at your service. Let's get started slowly. This is Sai Fernandra from SQL School. I assure you, complete practical step-by-step classes from scratch, right from the basics. For 2 decades, I have been into database platform. I may look a bit young. I am 42 now. Since my first job at Microsoft, I am completely into database technologies. And you'll see my love and care in my classes with my unique examples. Let's get started now. Let's understand slowly what is database and what are the different job roles we have in the database and what is our specific job role. Let's get started with our complete step-by-step classes with end-to-end project, mock interviews, and resume. Before we step into the things, let me put some points, notes, common questions, right? These are all the common questions we have, like the notes. I shall send you the complete detailed notes, step-by-step notes on email for each concept. You'll take print copies of the notes. Safe side, it really works. So that you have the print notes with you, left side of your computer. And right side, what is there? Your observation notes. Daily assignments, weekly feedbacks are our unique features with my school. For resume, project, complete explanation, project FAQs, and resume guidance. In case if someone learned the subject online or by some other sources, you can join me directly only for the project course also. So we have training course with project paid together, or you may join me only for project if you learned the subject from your own other alternate sources. I am here to guide you and shape your resume cautiously. Let's get started now with what is database. It's a platform. It's a storage room. It can store any type of data, any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured, easy to organize, stores unlimited data, supports cloud with AI capabilities. AI part of my technical classes, every course I offer. AI is just like salt and pepper in our kitchen now. It's required in almost every dish. And every project in IT needs data. So it needs database. Our jobs are safe. On my screen now. I repeat the definition again. What is database? It is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Any type of data means, for example, you want to store barcodes, QR codes, or for example, passwords. Yes, database can welcome the data. Any amount of data, like terabytes, petabytes of data, fully secured, easily organized, and stores unlimited data and supports cloud and AI, artificial intelligence capabilities. Learning databases and mastering databases is always safe because every project needs databases. It's required. Next. Now, okay, we learned about database. What next? There are different types of databases. There are different types of databases. There are two basic types of databases to start with. One is OLTP database, other one DWH, data warehouse. What are these? Friends, good to write your observation notes. Attendees who join bit late, just for them, please get a paper and a pen, write only technical points. Only keywords, no lines, no sentences, only keywords. It works, please. You'll WhatsApp me after the class. Really, it works. Let's stay tuned. We are learning for ourselves. Please, I request you, okay? Let's make sure we are tuned to our class. It works. You'll WhatsApp me after the class every day throughout the course, including the final project solution FAQs class. You'll keep WhatsApp me every day your observation notes. Please help me. Thank you. Let's continue. So I repeat again. We learned first slide what is database. Now second slide type of databases. There are two types of databases, OLTP, online transaction processing database. These databases store live real-time data like live temperature data, live stock market operations. What is that? Live. Like our live class, we are going to interact for questions and answers after a few minutes today, just like our live class. And other one, we have data warehouse, DWH. What is this? DWH, data warehouse, is used to store old historical data like old temperature data, old stock market data, old cricket data, cricket match, football match data, etc. Live match is OLTP. The old matches data is warehouse. So database is broadly categorized into these two database types. Job roles. We have number one, developer job role. What is it? Developer job role. Developers are responsible for design of databases, and other one, data engineers. Engineers are responsible for design of data warehouses. Regular databases, nothing but OLTP, developers will take care. Data warehouse, data engineers will take care. This is the actual concept. Then what about other job roles? Yes, we have data analysts and also database administrators, DBAs. Data analysts will be responsible for design of reports analyzing the data, either from OLTP or from data warehouse, sometimes from both. Data analysts will take care. DBAs, database administrators, to manage, maintain databases. They are the database doctors. In simple terms, on my screen, and this slide is very important for us, the birthplace of data, the leftmost side. I repeat, the birthplace of data, apps, Internet of Things, IoT or Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled devices at our home and office, IoT. Mobile is a simple example. Mobile is an IoT. And websites. You registered on my website sqlschool.com to take part in our beautiful training classes. Website, from there we get your data, your email, your contact number, your complete happy name. We get those details. Forms, feeds, social media, tweets, etc. Different birthplaces for the data. The data would be stored in our SQL School OLTP databases. Your active bank transactions you do through your website or app or ATM nearby will be stored in your database, bank databases. There are different technologies to manage, maintain databases from Microsoft, MS SQL, Oracle, MySQL and Oracle. They are different technologies. Postgres. Amazon has Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service. So these are all OLTP, the first database type products from different companies. Over a period of time, the data has to be consolidated. Data has to be reformatted, filtered, and then loaded to the godown called warehouse. We have Azure warehouses called Synapse from Microsoft. We have Spark databases from Apache company, Redshift from Amazon, Snowflake from Snowflake company. So different data warehouses to store old historical data. And in between, the transit system, the transport layer is ETL, extract, transform, load. So various OLTP environments will submit data to data warehouse through using these ETL tools like Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks from Microsoft Cloud, Amazon Glue, and Amazon Athena from Amazon AWS, Snowpark, DBT, and so on. I just listed a few to make it simple and clear. Developers and DBAs usually work on OLTP databases. The front line, the birthplace, black box, front line, yellow box. Friends, no problem. I'll be providing you all these notes. The diagram. and it's important. The data engineers will be responsible for cloud computing. Cloud computing comes in data engineering. In my data engineering classes, I have good number of examples on cloud computing, AI implementations, big data, and more. But we should know what exactly we are learning, right? That's important. This diagram is surely work until end of our course. Every day we can refer to this diagram. That much important it is. Data engineers are responsible for ETL and warehouse. From there comes analytics, reporting, dashboarding, painting color to your valuable data. That is analytics. With AIML and data science projects, which are actually built on data warehouse. With this information, very important topic now. Firstly, we learned what is database, then types of database, and now number 3, what is DBMS? Let's see. Yes, we learned few end-to-end arrow marks, but how to implement all these complete activities on my screen we can do by using DBMS, database management system. It's a software to build and design databases, manage, access, analyze, secure, monitor, troubleshoot databases. I'll send you all these slides anyway after the class today, but in a Word document format so that you take print copy of the notes. One more thing, AI part of our classes, part of your resume technically with examples. And different DBMS in the market right now. Microsoft has SQL Server. We have Oracle, Postgres, and IBM has DB2 and more. We are into SQL Server. One of the very common, easier, cheaper DBMS in the market. Very easy to implement, trust me. Very easy to implement. Not only that, highly secured and very fast compared to other database systems. Big data analytics, cloud with AI, Gen AI and Copilot activities on my screen. I repeat, easy to implement, highly secured and faster data storage. Big data analytics, cloud AI and Gen AI components. Final slide. Before we step into our job roles, this is what DBMS can do for us. End-to-end business intelligence model activities. Any DBMS can perform these operations with ease. Source to OLTP to ETL to data warehouse to analytics and reporting. So at our job desk, what we do? Yes, we can be a database administrator, DBA, responsible to manage, troubleshoot, secure databases. Exam code DP300. Data engineers, responsible to design data warehouse databases using cloud. Involves cloud computing, big data, and ETL, extract, transform, load. And we have various certification from Microsoft for data engineers. And we have data analysts, responsible to design reports, dashboards, and responsible to perform any kind of analytic activities. We have data analyst job role. Next, whatever numbers you see on my screen are the certification numbers from Microsoft. Out of all these, DP203 expired very recently, but still Azure has its own market and footprint. You will choose whether you want to become a true complete database administrator or a data engineer or a data analyst. You will decide yourself. Of course, I'm here to guide you. Now, what we do as a DBA or a data engineer or a data analyst or a combo, what we do? We should know who is doing what, because working in a database project is like living in a family. Really, any database project involves database administrators, data engineers, data analysts, ETL admins, BI developers. These are the 5 very, very common database job roles trending in the market right now. DBAs are responsible for maintaining the health of the databases. They are the database doctors. Security, management, maintenance, repairs, troubleshooting, any kind of missing data, mismatch in data. In cloud and non-cloud, DBAs will take care. Data engineers will take care of big data, cloud computing, ETL, data warehousing, analytics, live data capture, and more. They are dealing with data, bringing data, placing data into cloud, say cloud warehouses. Data analysts are mainly into painting the data, reporting, presenting the data. And for everyone, we have a combo. A senior database administrator can become a ETL admin. A senior data engineer can become a BI developer. That's the concept. I repeat again. Friends, this particular slide is also very important. There are 2 important slides in my class today. Number 1, the previous one, end-to-end flow. And other one, this job role. I'll repeat again to make it clear. The previous one on my screen. Since the birth of data, from birthplace of data to reporting. This is one important slide. Other final important slide, the final slide of our entire course. The final slide of our entire course. Just let me project it again on my screen. A senior DBA can become a ETL admin, and a senior data engineer can become a BI developer. Total 5 different job roles. I'll provide you the day-wise roster separately for whichever course you are into, maybe DBA or data engineer or Power BI or data analyst, whichever you are into, or the BI developer. I got everything ready with me. So after the class today, I'll send you the email with all this content and also our day-wise job roles. Our team shall call you after the class today. Please give them confirmation about your course. Any questions or clarifications, we can discuss one-to-one. Next, let's understand slowly the installation process. Before we proceed, come on friends, what are the items we learned so far today? Please, what's the first item we learned today? Please, mic with everyone. What's the first item we learned today? Please, mic with everyone. First item, number 1.
Definition of database.
Exactly. We learned about what is database.
It's a platform to
Yes.
store any type of data.
Exactly. So here it is. Item number 1. Just to recap, we learned what is database. Number 2, come on, please. What next we learned?
Types of database.
Exactly. Yes. What are the types of databases? Come on, please. What are the types of database?
OLTP and DWH.
Exactly.
OLTP
Exactly.
and DWH.
Yes. Examples? OLTP, please.
Live
OLTP
Treatments.
live
All yes,
Transactions.
live football match, online banking, right? Anything live. What's the number 3, please? Number 3, please. Mic with everyone. Please check your mic.
The job roles we have.
sources of data.
Different jobs.
No.
Different
What
job
is
roles.
EPMS? Prem Patel, please check your mic, please. Yeah. Yes, friends. What are the different types of database? Then what is DBMS? You remember, please? Database
Yes.
Management System.
Database management system.
It's a
which is
software
SQL Server, Oracle.
manage,
SQL
access, and analyze.
Exactly. And then what is SQL Server? One such DBMS, right? It is cheaper and easier, and of course user friendly. And the recent versions of SQL Server more secured and automated AI with latest versions. Automated AI implementations. We'll take with examples anyway. Next, number 5, job roles. Okay, so every database project is like we are a family. We have data engineer, data analyst, database administrator. Sorry for the sounds over there. I'll mute that mic. We have one moment. Prem Patel, please check your mic, please. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you, Prem Patel. Yeah, some minor background
Okay.
sound actually. Please check it, sir, please. Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you. Minor sound. Thank you so much. Come on, friends. What are the different job roles we have, please? Developer, DBAs, right?
Data analyst,
And data engineer.
Engineer, analyst.
Yeah, data analysts.
data engineer,
And
ETL
second
admin.
role we have ETL admins
ETL admins, BI
and
developers.
BI developers.
BI
Okay,
developer.
exactly. Pertaining to database, these are the 6 different job roles. Developer job role is short-lived because they design the database and they are done. But remaining like lifelong. I mean, every database for its entire life, it needs the remaining. Developers are short-lived job roles, truly speaking. They are in demand, but short-lived. I mean, they keep changing the projects. You design one product, you are done, you go to the next project design. Just like designing a car. But car maintenance forever.
So which
That's how
role
it
do you
is.
fit after this course?
Yep. So I'll come there, sir. I'll come there. Yep. I'll come there slowly. Next, from here, some minor background sound there, please. Please check your mic, please. Thank you. From here, let's understand step by step. We are going to take all the basics first. We are going to learn all the basics of database from tomorrow. Common for all these job roles. I repeat again, we are going to take the very basic fundamentals first. What we are going to learn in those fundamentals? Yes, we need to learn 25 concepts in those fundamentals first. Right from the introduction on my screen to installations. These are all the basic concepts we are going to learn from tomorrow. Common for everyone. We need them. Basics. We need them. The foundation activity to start with. Once again, we'll be providing you the day-wise roster for the entire course that you are opting for. But let's start from the scratch carefully. Right from database to installations. After installation, we'll take SQL basics, different versions. Then we have something called Excel imports, constraints, RDBMS concepts. We are going to learn about something called joins, indexes, and lot of other basic introduction activities. Then we'll proceed for very important tuning and architecture. So we'll be understanding about all the tuning part first, then the architecture part next. Next, once we complete all these items with detailed architecture, then the division starts. Data engineer classes are different, DBA classes are different. So here it is. Let me make it clear and straight. Please make sure we write our observation notes very carefully. We are going to have the intro and then installation. These are all the common concepts for everyone. Common concepts, basic foundations for everyone. Whether you want to become a developer or a DBA or a data analyst or a BA developer, everyone installations. There are total 3 installations we need to do for our classes. What about the software? A software downloads to be provided today on email, and you need Windows 8 or higher OS with 64-bit processor and also 6 GB RAM. If you are using Mac, please reach me on my number. Okay, here it is. Please enable Windows inside your MacBook. For help, please reach me on this number in case of any installation trouble. Any kind of Windows OS activation trouble. And we shall install SQL servers and tools tomorrow. Will do. Then comes SQL basics. Then comes the concept of something called TSQL fundamentals. T stands for Transact SQL, a variant of SQL to play with databases in SQL Server DBMS. Then comes various database architecture concepts. We need to learn about something called storage architecture and tables, views, something called as procedures, functions, triggers, etc. We need to learn about tuning concepts in our basics. There are total 6 different tuning concepts we need to learn. Part of fundamentals, common for everyone. Then we have server architecture, and all this takes total of 2 to 2.5 weeks. Then your actual job work. If it is DBA, it will be same schedule. Here we'll be taking all concepts of issues, solutions, repairs, troubleshooting. These are all DBA activities. Migrations, security, and HADR, always on, so on. DBA, same schedule continues. If it is data engineer, the schedule would be from 7 AM to 8 AM India time. Means like 1 hour difference. If it is Power BI, let me make it clear, okay? Power BI, it is 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. India time. Let me make it straight before you decide, please. And for data analysts, we have Python and Power BI both for them. As a data engineer, we'll be involved in ETL operations called extract, transform, and load activities, ETL activities, data warehouse, big data, cloud computing, something called Hive, etc. These are all about reports, dashboards, visualizations, data analytics, and also dynamic data trend analysis, etc. Data analyst will take care. This is data analyst platform. I mean, the basics are common for everyone. After we learn all basics, then comes the next activity as per your plan, as per your selected job role. Next, let me send you the email now with the software installations. Please promise me, can you practice minimum 1 hour every day, please, from tomorrow? Please, yes?
Definitely yes.
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 Please, please, others, please, I'll wait, please. Others, please, okay? Minimum 1
Yes.
hour every day, everyone, please help me.
Yes. Yes.
Minimum
Yeah.
1 hour every day.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
please. Yes, and every day have assignments as well. You have to submit them from today class, from today itself. You have
Hello.
everyday assignments on email.
Hello.
Where do you submit? Please wait, sir. Sir, please wait. Let me complete my points, please. Please wait. On this website, every day you'll be submitting your assignments, the daily assignments to be submitted at this website link throughout the course. And attendees who are active in the class submit assignments on time will receive free weekend webinar entries or additional case studies and even more. Really, trust me, trust me. I repeat again, I have some set of items for responsive attendees. Good number of items for responsive attendees. You do more, you get more. I do more, I get more. Please. Hope you understood what I mean. Yes, please. You got my point? Please. I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes, everyone. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's not okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's not like a Western university. It's not like a Western university, my experience. Because I have been in US from 2008 to 2011. I witnessed Western universities environment. It's not like the, oh, you tell, I see. It's not like that. No, no. Involve, interact. Then we get the complete answers to our clarifications and the questions. I want participants to use mics, not only for their questions. I want our participants to use their mics even for my questions also. Please help me. These interesting fundamentals are the basement to understand the examples for the main core activities. Let's not miss the pillars and the foundation from the basics. What next? I'll mail you now this particular information. I'll save it. I'll make it as intro. I'll be sending you one Word document today for the definition of databases. The diagram I was showing you, all this information on my screen. With the job roles, I'll provide the printed document. Here it is. We'll take all the basics first, then the division next. Whatever schedules I have mentioned in the previous slide are the morning India time schedules. We have other schedules as well. I'll include those schedules in WhatsApp and email anyway. I'll do. So you can choose your comfortable schedule and let me know for doubts, clarifications, if any. Please give me a few moments time, and from tomorrow we'll practice minimum 1 hour every day. Fine friends, thank you so much. Meeting from tomorrow to start from the basics, to start from the common fundamentals and tuning concepts. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow live.